Which is the main aim of National Health Mission? Option A, provide free medicines. Option B, reduce maternal and child mortality. Option C, build more hospitals. Option D, train doctors only. The correct answer is option B, reduce maternal and child mortality. National Health Mission focuses on reproductive, maternal, newborn, child, and adolescent health along with communicable and non-communicable diseases. The main aim of National Health Mission is reduce maternal and child mortality. Consider the founder of modern nursing. Option A, Clara Barton. Option B, Florence Nightingale. Option C, Mary Seacole. Option D, Lillian Wall. The correct answer is option B, Florence Nightingale. Florence Nightingale emphasized sanitation and community health nursing during the Crimean War. Founder of modern nursing is Florence Nightingale. Which method is best for health education in a large community? Option A, lecture method. Option B, group discussion. Option C, mass media. Option D, demonstration. The correct answer is option C, mass media. Radio, television, and newspaper effectively reach a large population. Mass media is best for health education in a large community. In epidemiology, the time between exposure to infection and appearance of symptoms is called option A, latent period. Option B, incubation period. Option C, serial interval. Option D, infectious period. The correct answer is option B, incubation period. Incubation period is the interval between infection entry and first clinical signs. Incubation period is the interval between infection entry and first clinical signs. Which color bag is used for disposal of human anatomical waste and biomedical waste tools? Option A, red. Option B, yellow. Option C, blue. Option D, black. The correct answer is option B, yellow. Yellow bags are used for human and anatomical waste, solid waste, and expired medicines. Yellow bags are used for human and anatomical waste, solid waste, and expired medicines. What does the term epidemiology literally mean? Option A, study of medicine. Option B, study of epidemics. Option C, study of people. Option D, study of diseases in population. The correct answer is option D, study of diseases in population. Epidemiology is the study of distribution and determinants of health-related events in population. Epidemiology is the study of distribution and determinants of health-related events in population. Which is the main vector of Japanese encephalitis? Option A, Aedes mosquito. Option B, Culex mosquito. Option C, Anopheles mosquito. Option D, sandfly. The correct answer is option B, Culex mosquito. Culex species mosquitoes transmit Japanese encephalitis virus in rural and agriculture areas. Main vector of Japanese encephalitis is Culex mosquito. The child line number in India is option A, 100. Option B, 101. Option C, 102. Option D, 1098. The correct answer is option D, 1098. Childline 1098 is a 24 helpline for children in distress. The childline number in India is 1098. Childline 1098 is a 24 helpline for children in distress. Which vitamin deficiency causes rickets? Option A, vitamin A. Option B, vitamin B. Option C, vitamin C. Option D, vitamin D. The correct answer is option D, vitamin D. Vitamin D deficiency causes defective mineralization of bones leading to rickets in children. Vitamin D deficiency causes rickets. Which program was launched to control blindness in India? Option A, National Eye Health Mission. Option B, National Blindness Control Program. Option C, Vision 2020. Option D, National Program for Control of Blindness. The correct answer is National Program for Control of Blindness. Option D. NPCB was launched in 1976 to reduce blindness prevalence in India. National Program for Control of Blindness was launched to control blindness in India. Which is the most common occupational disease among cotton mill workers? Option A, byssinosis. Option B, silicosis. Option C, asbestosis. Option D, pneumoconiosis. The correct answer is option A, byssinosis. Byssinosis occurs due to inhalation of cotton dust in textile industries. Most common occupational disease among cotton mill workers, byssinosis. Which is a natural family planning method? Option A, oral contraceptive pills. Option B, intrauterine device. Option C, calendar method. Option D, condom. The correct answer is option C, calendar method. Natural methods rely on identifying fertile days and avoiding intercourse during that period. Natural methods rely on identifying fertile days and avoiding intercourse during that period. Which agency publishes the World Health Report annually? Option A, UNICEF. Option B, WHO. Option C, UNDP. Option D, FAO. The correct answer is option B, WHO. World Health Organization publishes annual reports on global health status. WHO publishes the World Health Report annually. Which nutrient deficiency causes pellagra? Option A, niacin. Option B, vitamin C. Option C, vitamin K. Option D, vitamin B12. The correct answer is option B, niacin. Pellagra is characterized by dermatitis, diarrhea, dementia. Pellagra is characterized by dermatitis, diarrhea, dementia. Which is an example of live animated vaccine? Option A, BCG. Option B, DPT. Option C, hepatitis B. Option D, rabies, inactivated. The correct answer is option A, BCG. Live attenuated vaccines contain weakened forms of pathogens that induce long-term immunity. Live attenuated vaccines contain weakened forms of pathogens that induce long-term immunity. Example of what is a common source of fluoride for prevention of dental caries? Option A, salt. Option B, water. Option C, sugar. Option D, milk. The correct answer is option B, water. Community water fluoridation is an effective public health measure for preventing dental caries. Common source of fluoride for prevention of dental caries is option A, option B, water. Which survey provides national data on fertility, mortality, and family planning in India? Option A, census. Option B, NFHS. Option C, NSSO. Option D, DLHS. The correct answer is option B, NFHS. National Family Health Survey gives data on population, health, and nutrition. Survey provides national data on fertility, mortality, and family planning in India is NFHS. Which mosquito is the vector of malaria? Option A, Anopheles. Option B, Aedes. Option C, Culex. Option D, Mansonia. Correct answer is option A, Anopheles. Female Anopheles mosquito transmit Plasmodium parasite that cause malaria. Female Anopheles mosquito transmit Plasmodium parasite that cause malaria. What is the safe limit of fluoride in drinking water in India? Option A, 0.1 ppm. Option B, 0.5 ppm. Option C, 1.0 ppm. Option D, 2.5 ppm. The correct answer is option C, 1.0 ppm. Fluoride concentration of 1 ppm prevents dental caries without causing fluorosis. 1 ppm prevents. What is the main method of transmission of hepatitis A? Option A, blood transfusion. Option B, airborne droplets. Option C, fecal-oral route. Option D, vector-borne. The correct answer is option C, fecal-oral route. Hepatitis A is transmitted via injection of contaminated food and water. Main method of transmission of hepatitis A is fecal-oral route. Which is the commonest cancer among women in India? Option A, ovarian cancer. Option B, cervical cancer. Option C, breast cancer. Option D, lung cancer. The correct answer is option C, breast cancer. Recent statistics show breast cancer has surpassed cervical cancer as the most common among Indian women. Recent statistics shows breast cancer has surpassed cervical cancer as the most among women, Indian women. What is the normal BMI range for adults? Option A, 10 to 15. Option B, 15 to 18. Option C, 18.5 to 24.9. Option D, 25 to 30. The correct answer is option C, 18.5 to 24.9. WHO classification considered BMI 18.5 to 24.9 as normal weight. Which vaccine is given at birth in India? Option A, BCG. Option B, OPV. Option C, hepatitis B1. Option D, all the above. The correct answer is option D, all the above. At birth, newborns are given BCG, oral polio vaccine, and hepatitis B1 as per UIP. What is the most common cause of maternal mortality in India? Option A, hemorrhage. Option B, sepsis. Option C, hypertensive disorders. Option D, unsafe abortion. The correct answer is option A, hemorrhage. Postpartum hemorrhage is the leading cause of maternal mortality in India. Most common cause of maternal mortality in India is bleeding or hemorrhage. Which method is used to measure chlorine in water? Option A, turbidity test. Option B, orthotolidine test. Option C, JAR test. Option D, IMVIC test. The correct answer is option D, orthotolidine test. The orthotolidine test is used to measure residual chlorine in drinking water. Orthotolidine test is used to measure residual chlorine in drinking water. The main aim of National Immunization Program is option A, reduce hospital admissions. Option B, prevent vaccine preventable diseases. Option C, promote nutrition. Option D, control malaria. The correct answer is option B, prevent vaccine preventable diseases. National Immunization Program focuses on preventing diseases like polio, measles, tetanus, and tuberculosis through systematic immunization. The vector of Japanese encephalitis is option A, Culex mosquito, option B, Anopheles mosquito, option D, Aedes mosquito, option D, sandfly. The correct answer is option A, Culex mosquito. Culex mosquito transmits Japanese encephalitis in endemic areas. The vector of Japanese encephalitis is option A, Culex mosquito. Maternal health services include option A, antenatal care, internatal care, postnatal care. Option B, only antenatal care. Option C, only postnatal care. Option D, only family planning. The correct answer is option A, antenatal care, internatal care, postnatal care. Maternal health care covers all stages before, during, and after delivery. Maternal health care covers all stages before, during, and after delivery. The main function of ASHA is option A, conduct surgeries. Option B, provide community-based health education and facilitate access to health services. Option C, manage hospitals. Option D, prescribe medicines. The correct answer is option B, provide community-based health education and facilitate access to health services. ASHA workers promote health awareness and connect communities with health facilities. The main focus of school health program is option A, treat students in hospital. Option B, promote health, prevent disease, and provide health education to school children. Option C, provide nutrition only. Option D, monitor teachers' health. The correct answer is option B, promote health, prevent disease, and provide health education to school children. School health programs focus on preventive care, health education, and monitoring child growth. The most common waterborne disease in India is option A, malaria. Option B, cholera. Option C, dengue. Option D, Kala Azar. The correct answer is option B, cholera. Cholera spreads via contaminated water and is a common epidemic in India. Most common waterborne disease in India is cholera. Cholera spreads via contaminated water and is a common epidemic in India. WHO recommended minimum antenatal visit for a pregnant woman is option A 3, option B 4 visits, option C 5 visits, option D 6 visits. The correct answer is option B 4 visits. WHO recommends at least 4 antenatal visits for safe pregnancy monitoring. WHO recommended minimum antenatal visits for pregnant women is option B 4. Vitamin D deficiency in children causes option A beriberi, option B rickets, option B scurvy, option D goiter. The correct answer is option B rickets. Rickets result from lack of vitamin D causing weak bones and deformities. Vitamin D deficiency in children causes option B rickets. Maternal mortality rate in India is measured as option A, number of maternal death per 1000 population. Option B, number of maternal death per 1000 live births. Option C, number of maternal deaths per 1 lakh live births. Option D, number of maternal deaths per 10,000 population. The correct answer is option C, number of maternal deaths per 1 lakh live births. MMR indicates the number of maternal deaths per 1 lakh live births, reflecting maternal health quality. The key principle of community-based rehabilitation is option A, hospital-based care. Option B, empowering disabled persons in their communities. Option C, only physiotherapy. Option D, institutionalization. The correct answer is option B, empowering disabled persons in their communities. CBR focus on enabling people with disabilities to participate fully in society. Empowering disabled persons in their community is key principle of the main purpose of National Family Health Survey is to option A, collect data on population health and nutrition. Option B, conduct hospital audits. Option C, manage PHCs. Option D, immunize children. The correct answer is option A, collect data on population health and nutrition. National Family Health Survey collects data on maternal, child health, nutrition and reproductive health indicators. Which of the following is an example of passive immunity? Vaccination with live attenuated vaccine. Maternal antibodies transferred to breast milk. Option C, natural infection recovery. Option D, none of the above. The correct answer is option B, maternal antibodies transferred through breast milk. Passive immunity is acquired from another source. Example, maternal antibodies via placenta or breast milk. The term epidemic refers to option A, disease present at a constant rate in population. Option B, sudden increase in disease occurrence above expected levels. Option C, worldwide spread of disease. Option D, disease affecting a single individual. The correct answer is option B, sudden increase in disease occurrence above expected levels. The term epidemic refers to sudden increase in disease occurs above expected levels. An epidemic is a which program targets child malnutrition in India? Option A, JSY. Option B, ICDS. Option C, NVP, DCP. Option D, RNTCP. The correct answer is option B, ICDS. Integrated Child Development Services provide nutrition, health education, and supplements to children under 6. The most common non-communicable disease in India is option A, diabetes mellitus. Option B, tuberculosis. Option D, malaria. Option D, measles. The correct answer is option A, diabetic mellitus. Diabetes along with cardiovascular diseases is a major non-communicable disease in India. The most common non-communicable disease in India is diabetes mellitus. Which of the following is not a vector-borne disease? Option A, dengue. Option B, filariasis. Option C, tuberculosis. Option D, malaria. The correct answer is option C, tuberculosis. Tuberculosis is transmitted through air, not vectors. Tuberculosis is transmitted through air, not vectors. Dengue, filariasis, malaria called as vector-borne diseases. Oral rehydration solution is used to treat option A, malaria. Option B, diarrhea and dehydration. Option C, TB. Option D, vitamin A deficiency. The correct answer is option B, diarrhea and dehydration. Oral rehydration solution replenishes fluids and electrolytes lost during diarrhea. The National Health Mission in India combines option A, NRHM plus NUHM. Option B, RNTCP plus NVBDCP. Option C, ICDS plus UIP. Option D, JSV plus NFHS. The correct answer is option A, NRHM plus NUHM. NHM combines the National Rural Health Mission and National Urban Health Mission. NHM combines the National Rural Health Mission and National Urban Health Mission. Which of the following is a key indicator of child health? Option A, life expectancy. Option B, under 5 mortality rate. Option C, literacy rate. Option D, fertility rate. The correct answer is option B, under 5 mortality rate. Under 5 mortality rate reflects child survival and effectiveness of maternal and child health services. The main cause of neonatal death in India is option A, malaria. Option B, prematurity, birth asphyxia and infections. Option C, diarrhea. Option D, malnutrition. The correct answer is option B, prematurity, birth asphyxia and infection. Neonatal deaths are primarily due to complications during birth and infections in the first month. The main objective of reproductive and child health 2 is option A, promote hospital-based care only. Option B, improve maternal, newborn and child health. Option C, provide tertiary care. Option D, focus only on vaccination. The correct answer is option B, improve maternal, newborn and child health. Reproductive and child health emphasizes maternal and child health services including antenatal, postnatal, newborn care. Which of the following is an example of tertiary prevention? Option A, vaccination. Option B, screening for hypertension. Option C, rehabilitation after stroke. Option D, health education. The correct answer is option C, rehabilitation after stroke. Tertiary prevention aims to reduce complications and restore function after disease occurrence. Rehabilitation after stroke is an example of tertiary prevention. National Program for Control of Blindness targets mainly option A, cataract. Option B, diabetes. Option C, hypertension. Option D, malaria. The correct answer is option A, cataract. National Program for Control of Blindness primarily aims at prevention and treatment of cataract, the leading cause of blindness in India. The first step in health planning at community level is option A, setting objectives. Option B, situation analysis and community assessment. Option C, implementing interventions. Option D, evaluation. The correct answer is option B, situation analysis and community assessment. Health planning starts with assessing and community needs, resources and health status. The first step in health planning at community level is situation analysis and community assessment. Which of the following is a common occupational hazard for health workers? Option A, needle stick injury. Option B, malaria. Option C is tuberculosis in children. Option D, water contamination. The correct answer is option A, needle stick injury. Needle stick injuries expose healthcare workers to bloodborne pathogens like HIV and hepatitis B. Needle stick injury is a common occupational hazard for healthcare workers. Needle stick injuries expose healthcare workers to bloodborne pathogens like HIV and hepatitis B. My dear students, if you like my content, please subscribe my channel. Thank you all.